How to create business account on Twitter or X. Let's get started. First, launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, to convert your Twitter or X account to the business account, you have to follow these steps. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now click on your username. You will be directed to your profile page. Now click on the option Edit Profile. From this list, select the option Switch to Professional. Click on Agree and Continue. Now here you have to describe about yourself and then click on Next. Now select a category. Once you do that, click on Next. Now select account type, whether you are a business or creator, and then click on Next. Now you'll need to complete these steps. Customize your profile, explore profile spotlights, pick topics to follow, make more connections. And with that, you have just created your business account. So this way you can easily create business account on X or Twitter. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.